Welcome to Pencil Paper Pals.
Hey pals, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw the ball from Toy Story. You will need something circular. I'm using this plastic bowl, but please make sure you get permission from your parent or guardian for whatever you use, because you will get, as you can see with mine, some markings around the outside where you trace if you use a texter. So get permission first, but you'll need a ball, you'll need something to draw with, whether it's a texter or a pencil. I'm going to use a texter this time around, and let's get started. So in the middle of your page, pop your bowl that you're going to use, or your circle shape that you're going to trace, and we're going to trace all the way around the outside of it, like so. There. And you'll get left with a really nice perfect circle. Next step is we're going to create this stripe that's around the outside of the ball here, the blue bit, and that's actually easier to do than you think. You're going to get the same shape you've used for the outside, and you're just going to slide it across, so you get left with this kind of moon shape here. And to get that right, you need to start at, so the point where your black outline is here, you're going to start there, and you're going to trace the outside of your bowl all the way around until you get back to the top again. Easy peasy. So you've now got your stripe. We just need to do the star. Stars can be tricky, I get it. I was never very good at stars when I started, so I'm just going to do my best to show you how to do one, but you just do your best as well. There's no right or wrong. But we're going to sort of do it quite big, but off to the side here. You can do it in the center, it doesn't really matter, but I'm going to try and copy this as best as I can. So we're going to draw the top point here. And I'm going to sort of curve it slightly, because that'll help give your ball like a rounded look. I'll curve it like that, so that's the top point. We're then going to do the arms of the star. So we're going to come out, and then we're going to come back down on an angle, and on another angle again. And then we're going to go out here, straight, out here on a bit of an angle, and then we're going to come back up, and we're going to sort of meet at a middle point here. So I'm going to go up into the point and then down to meet this point here. And you've now done your star. So this is a super quick one, but now we can colour it in. So you can either colour yours the same as the classic Toy Story ball colours, or you can use whatever colours you want. I'm going to do the same colours again, because I'll show you how I used this. And I actually used these really good quality textures here. You don't have to use them. You could use pencils. Pencils is also quite effective as well. So we'll start with our, is that red? Deep red, yes. We'll start with our red. And the reason I like these textures is because they've got two different shaped edges on them, and they take a bit of practice to use. These ones are just from Kmart if you're in Australia, but you can get them everywhere, I suppose. Art supply stores, I'm sure overseas there'd be other shops that would sell similar, but they look like this. They've got like a point here, a pointy end on this side, and then a more chiseled end on that side. So we've now done our our red star. Now we'll do the yellow. So I'm going to use, I think this is the one I used before. The good thing with the chiseled end is it makes it go a bit quicker too. So when you use the shorter, pointier end, you've sort of got to do more strokes than you need to do with the chiseled end, like this one. And the ink in these pens, they actually bleed a little bit, as you can see, and they blend really nicely too. So that's another bonus with using more expensive tools. Trying to look for the right word. But yeah, you don't have to use these. Any colour you have on hand is perfect. I just thought I would let you in on sort of what I use. So yellow, and then, why can't I put that back in? Where are you going? In there. Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. Now we'll do the blue. So I might use this colour here, light blue, and we'll go around here. done. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Don't forget, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do so. It helps me so much, and I really appreciate you all being here. But until next time, we'll see you at the next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.